Hi, I'm Abhishek, an ex-TCSer and also a former technical panelist for TCS Digital, Ninja as well as Prime candidates. Yes, I've taken multiple interviews as part of TCS panelist, and here in Career Kunj as well, we are taking mock interviews. And I have noticed that students are struggling for technical interviews. Maybe they like resources or they need guidance. So today I'm making these videos to help you with the resources so that you can be prepared for your technical round in your interview. All right. The first resource, before I mention my first resource, I want you to know that I have find there are many students who are good with their coding skills, but when I ask them about the terminologies, when I ask them about the methods or the alternative methods, they are hesitant or they are not even using it. So why is that the case? Because you are trying it with the real world code. We are not trying with the real world code. You are just trying on the basic questions on an editor or compiler and it works for you. The problem is the technical panel is there to check if you are a deployable person or not, if you are able to be deployed in a project or not. So first resource here is W3 schools. Your preferred coding language can be Java, C++, or even Python. But for any language, you should know all the terms and all the methods. So W3 school is a website which has all the major codes or all the most used languages listed there. You can check any language. You can start going through topics one by one. It gives you the theoretical idea, and as you go further, it also gives you one by one concept. It also gives you the sample code which you can even edit and see how it works, if you change it or not. You can also pass some test cases to it. So I hope it will work, and you can go through all the topics and it won't take much time. For example, if your interview scheduled 2 or 3 days later, you can give time to this website and it will help you a lot to answer a lot of questions for technical panel. Second resource, I've noticed that most of the students, they are using some editor. For Java, you might be using Eclipse or something else. It helps you, that is a good thing, but also at the same time, you are not knowing any alternative methods or a more optimized method or more data scaled methods to execute the same problem. So how you will get to know it? As of now, you are just coding in your basic editor, you are doing it alone. You should always join some developer community like HackerRank. It is my personal preferred website for that. I have been using this website for more than 8 years. Even for my own TCS preparation, I have used this website. Post that also, I learned 2 3 languages. I use the same website. It gives you one by one approach. I mean, it starts with a simple thing, gives you the problem statement, gives you the syntax as well, tells you the logic as well, and then it lets you execute the code. Not only that, you can also go in comment section or the community section and you can find if any other person or any other good developer has given any better recommendation to do that. If you go through it, you will find that there are multiple people who have given, like, there are so many methods to execute the same problem. It will also give the same result, but it also have different things like different optimization, number of variables are more or less, the data scaling is more or less, some of them are passing some exceptional cases, some are passing the hidden test cases or not. So at any point, you should be aware of the alternative methods of your working code as well. So I will definitely prefer HackerRank for that. I will suggest you that you can, even though you know the codes already, just go through it one by one, solve the question, get the score. And good benefit is that you can also mention your HackerRank rating, your star in your CV as well. You can tell through technical panel as well. On top of that, if you think you're good with your coding skills or your solution skills, you can start contributing to the community and you can mention that to the client as well, and it gives a very good impression to the clients or any panelist. By clients, I mean panelist. All right, so use these two resources. Apart from that, there is one more thing. I am considering that there are a few days or maybe a week or couple of weeks only left for your interview, so you don't have much time to prepare. For example, if you start doing this website, especially hacker, it takes at least 25 days if you're doing it from basic. All right, but there are many technical questions that are asked in an interview. What is the easiest way and trending way as well? In this case, you can rely on ChatGPT. I have personally tried with multiple software languages from beginner to intermediate level just to check if it is able to give me the list of questions, if it is able to predict that with that accuracy, because I am an panel myself. So I'm able to know that what kind of question a panel is asking, and I'm seeing that ChatGPT is doing the work well. You can expect that 60 to 70% cases ChatGPT will help for you. It also gives you the solution. If you want, it can give you the PDF as well, so you can read from it. It gives you all the concepts that it uses and all the different methods that it uses. Apart from these three resources, you can also check our YouTube channel. It might have some resources that is needed for you, not only technical, along MR and HR things are also there. So I wish you all the best, and please let me know if you are already using any of these three resources and how it helped you. All the best for your interview. Thank you.